Hi Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. I hope everyone is feeling nice like sugar and spice. That's so corny. Anyway, so let's get to cooking. So on today's menu we have corned beef, white rice, fried plantains and avocado. Yes, and see the little food kind here that I'll be using to cook up this little lunch. First, we are going to put on the rice. I already had the water boiling, so I'm adding some salt and I'm going to add my washed rice. So yeah, rice wash and ready for cook. Look how much I could have said the word rice a while ago, but yeah, rice. It's just a little pot of white rice me I cook today. No big nothing. So yeah, cover him down and make him go and cook. Next, let's prepare some veggies to add to the corned beef. Now, fun fact. Growing up, this meal was something that I often had on Saturdays because I don't like soup. Yes, me are one of them Jamaican people there where I'm not a soup drinker. Me not like soup none at all. I don't think soup is for dinner. Soup and a dinner to me at all. You know, I might be one of the few Jamaicans who just seem weird because me not drink soup on a Saturday. But yeah, so I always something like corned beef and rice, which my children them end up and love. They love it. Or you know, what you call it? Curry chicken and rice, or yeah, something like that. Stewed chicken and dumpling. I mean, just anything other than soup. So yeah, see the rice done boil down. So stir it up, and then you go cover it back down to make it go and do its thing. So blaze up some fire under the pot. Spray some oil in the pot. Add the little sweet pepper and onion mix. Some thyme. And of course, you know, do a little stirring. Or just try salt him out in the pot. And then I'm gonna add some garlic. And now you stir it up. And you go cover it down and make it go on, you know, do it like a thing. I say sometimes them paper here upon the corned beef can go on like say a them own the can. Them just itch on pan it so and refuse to come off. That part they did easy. Okay, now dash on the key and make we ring around the rosy. Oh Lord. Oh, they see that just now? They was like, man, it did seem like they are gonna break, you know. You ever have one of those break off before you finish open the can of corned beef? Absolutely ridiculous. Can't stand them things there. But yeah. Praise sweet, sweet baby Jesus. It didn't come off. So yeah, continue opening. And there we go. Okay, so add the corned beef to the colorful niceness in the pot and break it apart. And you see the nice steam a while ago when the pot opened. That was so good, and it did smell so good. Yeah. So yeah, now that it almost done mash out, I gotta add some ketchup, black pepper, dash in, and then combine everything. If you want add what you call it, like tomato and stuff, then add it in there. That's the thing with cooking. Cooking is so forgiving. Like you can just do what you want to do for most part, or add what you like, whatever you like to your pot, and it can work. Baking, not so much. Baking is very precise, but yeah, cooking is very forgiving. So if you want to add your tomato or whatever you like, then sure, go ahead. Okay, try combine everything real nice and good. And then we're going to cover it. For 5 minutes, and then and boom, see there, after 5 minutes, look at that bubbling away. Stir it up again. Can't be even take long for cook either. Is it really even cook? I really cook, cook. You just warm it up, really. It's not cook. Because you can eat it raw, or that's not even raw. You can eat it straight from the can. So yeah, there we have it. I'm adding some more black pepper. That looks good. Rice done cook, so turn off the fire. And I wanted to show you guys something with the corned beef. So now remember, me just spray a little bit of oil in the frying pan, and yeah, see it there. The corned beef itself, contain oil and stuff. So you don't need no bag of oil in your pot. But do you boo, if you like your oil, then go ahead. But me just want to show you like why me do some of the things them what me do. Other than me just not liking oil in my pot. Okay, so pour the oil in the pot. Guys, that was so satisfying to watch just now. So yeah, so I'm going to fry some plantains. So I went ahead and poured the oil in the pot so that I can preheat it. So let's cut up these plantains, and you can do this various ways, because I'm sure you see me do it another kind of way for fry it. So you can do it this way or the long way, or if you want to make hearts because you want to show your loved one that you love them, your little boo thing, your little hubba bubba, your little wifer. Yeah, just take your hand and make some style. So cut it up, girlfriend. For whatever reason, my children, them not so fond of plantain. I still try get them into it because it's so good. But yeah, them not so fond. They're not fans at all. So now let's turn those that have gotten brown, flip them over and make the next side get nice and caramelized looking too. Those look so good. Oh, that devour some right now. Hurry up and fry, man. Hurry up. So them one there almost ready, the one them to the left. So yeah, let's take them out. Pot just a bubble so. I love it. I love it so much. And fry our plantain fry. Don't you guys just think fry plantain just turn up the meal them just a little bit more, you know. Maybe I really just me just love fried plantain. So so take out what needs to be took it and leave what needs to be left it. Them big piece that looks so good. And hurry up and just go in on my plate so it can go in on my belly. I'm so excited about that meal here. I am so excited about that little lunch here. I will thoroughly enjoy my lunch. As usual, me always enjoy all of my food and me a foodie. So of course it not take much for enjoy it as long as it tastes good, which it always tastes good. We're almost done frying these beauties. And I can't wait to tuck into all of it. And Vibes fam, here is my little lunch. Me know it not look so little. Me say me will eat this any time of the day. Me love me some corned beef. Give me it with fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, bread, rice, anything. I just love it. Look at that corned beef. You look so delicious. And you see the little oil along this up. I'm gonna add no whole heap of oil in the pot. But beautiful. Those plantains looking so delicious. Yes. Thanks so much for watching, Vibes fam. Please don't forget to like and share this video. To all first time watchers, please subscribe. And Vibes fam, uno go beg some family and friends to rope in over yourself. Okay? Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Check out the description box or at the end of the video it will come up. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you all abundantly and take care.